guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Lazzzysundaze. And if it's the first time you visit my channel, welcome. My name is Tiffany, and today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna share with you guys how I usually pack for my travels. I'm actually going on a trip, Portugal and Morocco, and I'm just so excited for it. We're actually leaving tomorrow, so this is gonna be like a quick vlog. I feel like I just want to share with you guys how I usually pack. I'm always a last minute packer, but I do have my system down that enable me to pack last minute. Every time I go on trips that's like two and a half weeks, we just usually bring a carry-on and a backpack, and I feel like that's a challenge for a lot of people when it comes to packing. I feel like this will be helpful for people who wants to not bring as much or don't want to bring like a huge suitcase for like a 2 weeks trip. First thing I do is to list all the things that I need on this trip. Everything I need from the clothes I will wear and to like all the necessities that I need, like skincare, sunscreen, and all those things that I think is very important to me that I will need on this trip. I will write it down. Obviously, you might be overlisting your things. If you're overlisting, then you'll realize that once you start packing, and then you can start crossing things off if you don't think you actually need them during this trip. This could be your checklist by the end of the process of packing. So these are the clothes I'm gonna bring for this trip. I kind of plan all my outfits, or at least for like 10 days of my outfits, and then the rest will be just where I'm just gonna wear whatever. Like if I'm going to the airport, I'm just not gonna look that cute, you know? Just to give you guys some ideas, I'm bringing a dress, another dress, and then a top, another dress. I love dresses. Another dress, yeah. 2 rompers, 1 pants, and I'm about to bring one pair of jeans for traveling. So I'm gonna wear that to the airport, and then I'm also gonna bring a pair of shorts. And there's another top that I got. These are all basically the same colors, green and blue. I'm gonna try to fit all of these into this compartment. This is like a packing cube that I got from Amazon, and this is called Shack Pack. Yeah, and then it comes in like 4 compartments, but I'm only gonna use like 1 or 2. Do you guys see how small my carry-on is? This is so tiny. Alright, here it is. I managed to fit everything there. Yeah, I'm also gonna bring these 2 bathing suits. I'm just gonna try to squeeze this in. It will fit. I feel like this is like very elastic, if that makes sense. You can just shove everything in and then it will just magically fit. Ta-da! And this actually fits. Oh my god, it's so heavy. This fits perfectly in here. So that's one compartment of my carry-on done. So here is another Shack Pack's packing cube, but this is like slightly smaller than the other one that I just used. And I just decided to use this for my shoes. I'm gonna bring 1 pair of sandals, 1 pair of kitten heels. I also decided to bring a pair of walking shoes, but I got these on Amazon, and these are only like $25 for a pair. And then these looks exactly like the cats that I really want. And also they're so comfortable. I can't believe they're only $25. It fits really well. And over here I have all my underwears and stuff like that. For the Shack Pack that I got from Amazon, they also give you like a laundry bag, so you can just dirty clothes, you can just go in there, but I'm using this as an underwear bag. So yeah, but you can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna bring these 2 like Ziploc bags just in case I need them. Also, I have these for my jewelries, and this is actually for pills, I believe. Jeremy's mom got this for me when she went to Japan, but I think these are for the pills, but I'm just gonna use these for accessories. So yeah, I'm just gonna pack this all together. I'm gonna bring 2 pairs of sunglasses. These are just like an old sunglasses case. So this is gonna be my like a mini medicine bag. I mean, like whatever I need, essentials. This is actually a shavers, Motrin, cortisone, hand sanitizer, of course my contacts, 4 flosses, just because you gotta floss your teeth. It's very important. So this is just a little backpack I'm gonna use on this trip. And then within this, there's just like 2 more bags. So just easy for you to carry stuff. I thought this bag is so cute. The color is nice. And my sister got it for me in a Goodwill. I love it. Very summery. So I'm just gonna put it over here. See, everything like nicely packed. So you're probably wondering where are all my makeup and like skincare and stuff like that. I'm not bringing them. I'm just kidding. I am. They are actually over here, nicely packed. I think this is like the most exciting thing in this entire video. So this is basically my travel skincare and makeup bag. I'm gonna put this in my backpack because it's just easier for me to access them on the plane. I like to use a lot of things on the plane because, you know, the plane is just so dry. Let's talk about skincare first. I'm not gonna go through each one of them because there's no need. If I want to talk about this is gonna be like a 2-hour video. I really like to bring samples when I'm traveling because it's just like so compact, and also it's just a nice way to kind of get rid of your samples. And actually these are all samples, not that one, but this is a sample from Pixie. So they're all just sample sizes stuff. Like this one, it's sample size. So then if you guys samples, don't ever like throw them out, save them, and when you go on a trip or something, you can always just use them. And then just a nice way for you to use up your products, not wasting any of them. So on this side, I have all my makeup stuff. This might seem a lot for some people, but to me it's like a minimum makeup for like 2 weeks. So yeah, one of my favorite products when it comes to eyeshadows are these like really compact eyeshadow palettes. This one's from Pacifica. I don't think it's that much, right? Because I feel like I used to bring a lot more than this. In the middle, I have all these like facial masks that I'm gonna do on this trip. And I also love to do facial masks when it comes to flights. So I'm definitely gonna do like at least 2. I mean, 1 flight going there, 1 flight coming back. I'm gonna do facial masks. They calm me down and they make my skin feel so good. Definitely do your facials in the air. Hey guys, good morning. Today's the day. We're about to go to the airport. Just wanna give you guys the last minute check. Remember how I showed you guys this list? We're about to go one by one to check them off. Double checking. Very important.